Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved 152% gain in GBLX within 31 days. Let's have a look at the chart of GBLX. This is one of the drug stocks for my play in the marijuana and cannabis industry. Besides this one, I've entered into other drug stocks as well, waiting for the prices to surge in 2018. The trade was exited on 8 January. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of 48.9 cents and exit price of $1.23. I've exited with my capital. The rest are pure profit rolling in the market. A nice 152% gain for this trade within 31 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 8 December with exit on 8 January. Entry price is 0.489 with exit price of $1.23. This trade has achieved a 152% gain within 31 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.